everyone. My name is Ahmad Muaz with Azurahisham. Before we start the story, I would like to tell you all about what a books really meant. Books are a legacy that a great genius falls to mankind, which are delivered down to generations as present, and to the posterity of those who are yet unborn. I am 10 years old and I am from class 4 years of SKLKTP Trinity World. Today I'll be telling all of you about this book titled The Solar System, which has 70 pages and 20 chapters. This book was written by HarperCollins and was published by HarperCollins Publishers. Why I love this book? Because it looks super interesting and realistic. Like for example, like this planet, or moon, and this, Uranus. This book is all about the 8 planets in our solar system, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and also Pluto, but don't call it as a planet anymore. The first planet I will be talking is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and has 2 sides, the hot side and the cold side. The hot side, which is 400 degrees Celsius, and the cold side, which is down negative 230 degrees Celsius. The next planet is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and is the brightest thing in the night sky of Earth. The next planet is Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life, and it has one moon named Luna. The next planet is Mars. Mars is a red planet and it has the biggest natures in the solar system. For example, mountains 3 times higher than Mount Everest, and craters that can fit up to the half of the Nile River, and other things. And Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. The next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant and is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter also has a gravitational pull so strong that it can pull back the asteroids from going any nearer to the sun. That's why Jupiter is an important planet and it has 63 moons. The next planet, Jupiter's neighbor, is Saturn. Saturn is one of the most gorgeous planets in the solar system because of its gorgeous rings, of course, that has 7 layers of ice, dust, and rocks. Saturn has an endless wind on the North Pole and has 62 moons. The next planet is Uranus. Uranus is one of the most weirdest planets and the most coldest planets in the solar system that reaches up to negative 236 degrees Celsius, and it has 27 moons. And the last planet is Neptune, the furthest from the sun. Neptune is slightly warmer than Uranus and is a windy planet, and it has 14 moons. The next planet is not quite a planet, which is Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet, meaning it's not a complete planet, and has 4 moons, and 1 moon named Charon, which was almost as big as Pluto, which Pluto actually orbits around. And my most favorite chapter, or maybe planet, inside of this book is Jupiter. Why? Because Jupiter is an important planet, of course, even though it's a gas giant, but it's quite scary because the deeper you go, the hotter it gets. And that's why the asteroids will rarely go to Earth. And the moral of the story I got in this book is, never stop learning new things. Knowledge is power, and it's time for you to power up. There are infinite things with infinite knowledge, no matter where you go. That's all from me today. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.